FS, proprietary trading, Euro Australian dollar. FS, proprietary trading, Euro Australian dollar. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magd.com. The title of the video is FS Proprietary Trading Euro Australian Dollar. In this tutorial, I want to give traders, the long-term equilibrium price level for the Euro Australian dollar. The long-term equilibrium price level is my own proprietary trading tool. It is not part of the TST trading system. It's my own proprietary trading tool that I'm using. But I cannot reveal the formula to traders, but I can share with traders, the long-term equilibrium price level for any currency pair, for stock that are listed on the American stock, that's the 100, S&P 500, Dow 30. I can give to traders for free if they are TST traders, the short-term and the long-term equilibrium price level for those financial instruments. I can also give to traders that are trading indices, who are TST traders, the long-term and the short-term equilibrium price level for American, major indices, all right? So in this tutorial, we are talking about the Euro Australian dollar. In fact, I have recorded one video earlier on the 3rd of February 2016. The title of that video was, Technical Analysis 2016 Trading Euro Australian Dollar Part 1. Technical Analysis 2016 Trading Euro Australian Dollar Part 1. That video was posted at 24 Forex Trader YouTube channel, so check it out. So I recommend to traders to watch that video so they may understand exactly what we are talking about. On that day, on the 3rd of February 2016, I gave traders 5 specific key support and resistance level. One key level that I remember is this level here, 15938. So I place a vertical line here at the level where this is the 3rd of February when I recorded the video. That's the 3rd of February. And since then, the price went up. You can see that it found a resistance near the level of 15938. That level I gave it to trader this day. But the price went there and found a resistance. So you see here, so this is a candlestick bar. You see a bullish candle with a shadow at the top. It's alerting us that there are bearish orders here, So this is what? A bearish trading setup. We will now use the top-down trading method to trade it. As the price coming down, we'll pay attention to the next key support and resistance level. So we see this trading setup on the daily chart, where at the next support level, price going down, there's one here, you see changing direction here, this is a key level, it's changing direction here, this is a key level, here again, changing direction. So we will expect the bearish traders to be prepared to take their profit somewhere near this level. If we want to sell again, near a key level, we want the price to break below that key level to retest it and to turn around. On this day again, which day? This particular day, on the 29th of February 2016, you can see that the price rally a little bit up near this pink line and a final resistance there, which means the price D below the pink line, try to retest it here and traders slowed it down. It's going down again. As it's going down, we'll watch the next key level, which I also gave to traders on the 3rd of February 2016, this level here, 15149, which is another key level. I have also drawn on my chart that particular time when I was analyzing the Euro Australian dollar, the pitchfork tool. Remember, you see this pitchfork tool? As the price went down from the gray line, 15151, it came near the edge of the pitchfork tool. That's where we are now. So as you can see, it's very important for day traders, swing traders, and position traders to know where are the essential key and support level for the Euro Australian dollar. All right. Today, I will give to traders, again, another key level, just one key level. That level is the most important key level that the hedge fund, the banks are watching. It's the long-term equilibrium price level. So the long-term equilibrium price level for the Euro Australian dollar is the pink line here, 15470. 15470. So long-term Forex traders, market participants, will give priority to bullish signal above the long-term equilibrium price level. So they will be looking for bullish chart pattern or rising channel, higher lows, higher high above this level. And they will be giving priority to bearish signal below this level, all right, on the edge without violating the market pattern. It makes sense? So one key level today, 15470. So in total, we have 6 key levels. So if you haven't noted down before, here they are. Okay, 16592, 13679, 15149, 12685, 15938, and the long-term equilibrium price level, which is the most important key level, 15470. This is my own proprietary trading tool that I'm sharing with traders for free. I calculate this level myself and I'm giving it to you for free. So don't let me down. Remember this level throughout 2016. Okay, it doesn't mean that buy anyhow, but we are looking for high probability trading setup on or near one of those key levels. So what is happening now? Okay, what is happening now? So on the 3rd, we recorded a video here. Now we see what? A bearish chart pattern in a resistance zone. Which chart pattern? A double top chart pattern with a lower high. So a double top with a lower high is a quite very, very bearish double top. Okay, it's very bearish. Okay, so there is a target that professional will set. They will measure the depth of the double top. This is the greedy target that I'm setting. Okay, always set 2 targets, one conservative price target and one greedy target. So this is my greediest target. Okay, so by projecting, okay, you see I measure the depth of this double top right here, you see. So now I project it beyond, okay, the neckline. Where is the neckline of the double top? Is this one here, this level here, near the level of 14799. 14799, that's the neckline. That's where the price is sitting now, so to speak. Am I talking to myself? Okay, you see here, 14799, the price is now in that zone, which is the neckline of the double top. If we now, we have to understand that they are selling now, so we are now at the neckline. For the bearish momentum to continue, the price might find a resistance below the level of 14799. So this is another level that we don't want to forget. I don't want to draw it on my chart, but I'm aware of it. So very often we may see something like this, probably below that okay, key level, that level of 14799, and then rally up to retest it to form a resistance. And if there's a resistance here, we'll use a top-down trading method to trade it. Or there's another scenario where the price may go, as you see now, is now below the pitchfork tool. It may go down a little bit more, something like this. It may go down a little bit below that level of 14799, all right, and then come back up to retest the edge of the pitchfork tool, all right, before trying to go break below the neckline. So something like this, 1, 2, 3, or below 14799, retesting the 14799 before coming down. So we are now at a support level, which is 14799, the neckline of this double top chart pattern, a bearish chart pattern, indicating to us that the majority of traders that are trading the euro Australian dollar are selling. But it doesn't mean we just buy anyhow. The price now at support level. If we receive a buy signal here, we can take it, but we are aware that this is a critical point. It's the trend line. It's also like a psychological price level. The bearish trader will prefer to bring it down, but wait patiently, wait for the setup to be clear and neat, validate the trading setup, then implement a top-down trading method. This is a technical analysis, okay, analyzing the euro Australian dollar, okay, a chart, but we must also pay attention to the economy news at Forex Factory, all right? So the economy news, all right, check the economy calendar at www.forex factory. For the whole week, know when the high impact economy news are due, what kind of impact they may have on the technical analysis, so you may know the best time you should come into the market, because we don't want to violate the market environment. So if we find a high probability trading setup, we want to trade it only in a suitable, okay, market environment. If the market environment is not suitable, it's too volatile, it's too risky, we may wait to trade another day. But the most important thing that we are looking for we are looking for, okay, reliable trading setup near those key levels. Once we find them, we'll implement a top-down trading method. But now, once we implemented a top-down trading method, we don't want to commit any of the 7 biggest trading mistakes. Most importantly, the violation of the market pattern, violation of the market environment, and we want to trade on the edge to limit the risk. There is another trend line that I want to draw on this chart before I close this video. We want to pay attention to this trend line here. You see the high here and the lower high. The price may continue to go up also. So there are different. It may find a support here and then start going up, going up. People may say, what's going on? And may come all the way to the edge of this trend line that I have just drawn, this high and this lower high on the weekly chart. So be aware of it. So one level at a time. Where are the key level? Where are the key trend lines? So there's one key trend line here. The key level that I have given you, 6 key level in total, plus the neckline at 147.99. So if the price going down, we are also watching the edge of the pitchfork tool. Remember also the median line, okay, of the pitchfork tool, half of the pitchfork tool. You see the median line is this one here, which I've drawn last time. So I would like to send traders back. I would like to refer traders, okay, to the video, okay, that I have recorded on the 3rd of February 2016 for the Euro Australian dollar currency pair at a 2-4 Forex trader YouTube channel. It makes sense? It is also powerful. So this is all about navigation. So trading is just like a navigation, all right? So you want to go from A to B, you want to know the route, you want to know the aspect of the route, the condition of the route before you start your journey. So for trading also, so you want to go from A to B, you are checking also the weather. Is it going to be a dry weather? Okay, is it a winter season? So you may, all right, analyze, prepare yourself before you start trading. So if you want to go from A to B, all right, your car is in a perfect condition, you have a lot of fuel in your car, all right, but the weather is not suitable, you may decide to cancel that journey and travel another day, all right? It makes sense, isn't it? Also, if you know the route, you know, okay, there is a roundabout here, there's a curvy route here, it's dangerous here, you know how to go from A to B safely. So when we are trading also, we want to know where are the essential key level. This is how the professional are trading. So they are watching, they know where are the key level, where are the hot spot trading zone. So there's a hot spot trading zone here, there's one here. So where are the hot spot trading zone, where are the key support, where are the key resistance level, where is the current short-term equilibrium price level, where is the long-term equilibrium price level. Okay, what is the current market environment? Which economy news is likely to mess up the trade? What is the appropriate trading strategy? So the market pattern and the market environment will determine, okay, the appropriate strategy that we can apply, okay? So sometimes trader will go and use a trading strategy, okay, at the wrong time and also at the wrong place because the market environment has changed, all right? We must change our trading strategy. We must apply a different strategy. By using the rising channel, the declining channel, and the horizontal channel, we are likely to adopt the best strategy, okay, that can bring more profit. But not only the market pattern, we will also check the market sentiment, the volatility in the market, so we may make, okay, excellent Forex trading decision. So, for instance, if on Monday we have a high-impact economy news that is due at 9 o'clock, all right, I will not enter any trade before that economy news because London will be open at 8 a.m. I will wait that economy news to go past and then I will trade. But suppose I decided to enter that trade before the economy news, okay, which is risky, but if it's successful, it is rewarding. In that case, I will control the risk. I know that, okay, this trade, I don't want to close it. I want to leave it open. But I know that there is a high impact economy news. Sometimes it may work beautifully for you and you may make a lot of profit very fast. But you also understand the risk. So if you lose in that case, you're not going to cry about it. You know that, okay, I know that economy news too. But if you do not know, okay, that there are high impact economy news that due at 9 a.m. London time, which is very often the case, at 1 p.m. London time, which is very often the case, around 3 p.m. London time, which is very often the case, and you have maybe 5 or 10 trade open, all right? You are using technical analysis, but then the economy news kick in, and then you open your account, and you see that nothing is there. In that case, you have violated the economy news. It's a trading mistakes, all right? You were not prepared for the market environment. The strategy for that day was not good. So traders use sometimes what they call hedging activity. So they are buying one financial instrument, they will sell another financial instrument to protect that first bullish trade. So there are more that we want to learn. But my recommendation to traders is that do not, okay, come into the Forex market and just expecting, okay, to start trading like a pro. Give it a time, understand, okay, the correlation between currency pair. What is the leading currency pair? Which economy news can change the dynamics of the market? What's going through the mind of the professional traders? How do they trade? They trade around key levels. So we want to concentrate on high probability trading setup that are appearing around key level. So bullish chart pattern will appear on only a key level. Bearish chart pattern will appear on only a key level. So when we see a trading setup, we go to the next higher time frame to validate the trading setup because we don't want to use a useless trading setup. The trading setup is kind of the source or the foundation of the whole trade. So we can have a technical trading setup, we can have a fundamental trading setup, all right? It's fundamental trading setup, and we can that trading setup will decide the strategy that we must adopt, okay? So once we are implementing the trading strategy, it's not yet finished. Now we are now in the trade, we must manage the trade, all right? So this is what we are talking about all the time, okay? We are talking about it all the time. But for this currency pair, the Euro Australian dollar, another thing I want to tell traders is that one must also understand the characteristic of the financial instrument that we are trading. So what is the characteristic of the Euro Australian dollar? It goes fast. It can also be volatile. So if you are a new trader, you may decide to go and trade something else, something Euro Australian. You may trade, for instance, the euro dollar instead, all right, or the pound dollar. They are much more friendlier than the Euro Australian dollar. Some traders may disagree with me, all right? But you want to know the characteristic of the financial instrument, the behavior of the financial instrument that you are trading. And then what can influence also this currency pair, all right? Crude oil will influence this currency pair. The euro dollar will influence this currency pair. And so you want to take it one step at a time. As a new trader, you don't want to open 100 trades, 10 trades. You want to go take it one trade at a time. So you take one trade, okay, you see it through, successful, you take the next trade. Pay attention on the time of the day, all right, and the economy news, all right. So those are the key levels that we must remember if we are trading the Euro Australian dollar. But for today, the most important key level is the long-term equilibrium price level at 154.70. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. If you have any question, put in the comment section, ask me a specific question, and in due course, I'll record another video, okay, to answer your specific question. I always read the comment. Trader will ask a question, and then we record a video, all right? So all the video that we are posting on YouTube, this is very often due to queries from traders. Traders are asking questions, want to understand something, why this, what's going on, and then we record video to answer those specific questions. So we welcome your question and feel free, okay, to ask a specific question and be very patient, all right, because I'm quite a busy bee, all right. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you very soon. This is about FX, proprietary trading, okay, Euro Australian dollar, talking about the proprietary, okay, long-term equilibrium price level, 154.70 for the Euro Australian dollar.